I'm going to unbox the LG 25UM56 ultra-wide monitor. They have the 21:9 aspect ratio. Guess there's really nothing left to do but actually open the box real quick. Should open up fine like this, I'm thinking. Maybe not. Doesn't want to cut right on the center. Wow, this is some really tough tape, but see what we got in here. Some instructions. Here's the power adapter. It doesn't come with a generic power supply. I wish it did, but it does need this proprietary adapter, unfortunately. Here's the monitor stand and the other part of the monitor stand. And here we have an HDMI cable. It's nice that it comes with an HDMI cable. It looks like a CD, probably instructions as well. Pretty nice packaging, I'd say, overall. And here we actually have the monitor. So let me just take this out really quick. And let me see what would be the best way to, this would probably be the best way to take it out. Just slide this off of it. So there's the LG monitor. You can kind of see it's got the really wide aspect ratio. This is only 25 inch. I wish I could have gotten a bigger monitor, but I did want one of the ultra wides. I got this for $129, so I got both of them for like $260. We can see on the back it's got the mounts for it and 2 HDMI inputs, so this should work out pretty cool. It's not super thick, but I'll be the first to admit it could probably be a little bit thinner. But other than that, I think it'll work out all right.